Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a clean canvas. Wash and pat your face so the serum absorbs, not beads. Open the Dr. Jart packet and unfold the sheet carefully. Once done, align the eye, nose, and mouth holes to your features. Make sure the bridge and jawline are seated by pressing edges toward the skin. This step matters because full contact ensures even delivery of active ingredients to the entire treatment area, improving hydration and efficacy during the wear time. Once the sheet is placed, smooth from the center outward to remove air pockets. You want the serum touching skin, not trapped by gaps. Make sure to follow the specific mask's recommended 10 to 20-minute timing. Too long can dry the sheet and pull moisture back. While you wait, relax and minimize facial movement so the mask maintains uniform contact. This helps the active ingredients penetrate evenly and prevents irritation from shifting or creasing. When time's up, peel the sheet off gently and don't rinse. Instead, pat remaining serum into your skin to maximize absorption. Then seal the treatment with your regular moisturizer, and if daytime, finish with SPF to protect the freshly treated skin. If you notice redness or stinging, rinse with cool water and discontinue use. Try a small patch test later to identify sensitivity. This troubleshooting tip protects your skin while allowing you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.